She's
all that
just
hair.
a little bit. Look at all the hair she has.
It's your face.
How big? How old? How big?
7 pounds 11 ounces, 21 inches long.
Here.
She just needs a bath. She's got lots of vernix on her, so
Yeah.
she looks very good.
Good chest lips.
And mommy's doing good too.
Good,
So.
good.
Alright.
Can't believe I forgot my cell phone. Caitlin's gotta have one. So
Okay. You don't want to
I
touch
gotta
her.
remember
You
how to
wanna wait
work
till
this
she gets
one.
cleaned up a little? Okay.
I think she's awfully pretty, don't you?
Look good.
Hard to tell you. Yeah.
Short face a little more.
Alright, we'll be probably about an hour.
Let me see if I can get a better one to send to him, to her.
Did you get one with my camera?
Yeah, we got one
Oh,
right
okay.
Did you get some in there?
Yes, you get quite a lot.
Good.
here.
Oh,
Can't do that.
Wait till she
look
gets
at her
cleaned
long
up.
fingers.
Oh, where'd you get those?
Okay, Dad.
Okay, Dad.
Well, honey, I may go back to work and I'll be back tomorrow.
Okay.